I think you guys are gonna absolutely love this bi-level in Suntree in Leduc. It's absolutely beautiful. It's in amazing condition. I've just walked in the front door here. You've got tile floors. You've got a nice closet here. And since it's a vaulted area, you've got a lot of headspace, which makes it feel very grand and big. Also got a bench here, which is nice for putting your shoes on and whatnot, getting outside, especially during the winter. Got lots of extra windows here. From here, you can get into the garage and the basement, but we're actually gonna start by going upstairs and checking out the living room and the kitchen. So from here, we get to just basically go up a few steps. We've got hardwood floors leading up into the kitchen. Immediately, it opens up into the kitchen where we've got granite countertops. I like how this island has a double sink. It's got the pull-out, which is always a must-have, so it's always very comfortable to cook. From here, you can see the living room, dark cabinetry kind of throughout the kitchen here. You can see that that is quite functional. Got some upgraded appliances here from LG, stainless steel, lots of countertop space, so it's very easy to have enough room to prepare your meals. Over here, there's actually a walk-in pantry, and of course a stainless steel fridge as well. So over here is your dishwasher, obviously your stove, opens up into your dining area, and from the dining area, you can actually get out onto the deck. And it's a two-tiered deck, so they've got the deck right there, and then you can go down to another area, which is great for sitting. And from here you can see, since it's a corner lot, there's a couple extra windows. One of the best things about a corner lot is you end up with more windows along the side of the house. You're gonna get a lot more light. Right now we're filming in the evening, so you're not really seeing the full effect of all the light that you're gonna get in here, but it's really beautiful during the day as well. I'll scoot around here and you'll see that it opens right up into the living room. Great open concept design. So if you're over in the kitchen preparing meals, you still have easy access to the living room. They've got a great big TV here, so if you put a big TV up like that, you could actually easily watch TV while you're preparing meals as well. This has 3 big windows that look out into the backyard. And again, there's the hardwood floor that goes throughout this area as well. My clients have also recently installed an electronic fireplace here, which is really beautiful, especially in the evening like this. All right, so let's take a look at the rest of the main floor here. So I mentioned this one is a bi-level. It's got 2 bedrooms up and 2 more bedrooms in the basement. So we'll look at this area over here. This is the first bedroom. They just kind of have it as a seating area right now. It is a bedroom, but right now it's not quite being used as a bedroom. Got a closet over here. From in here, you can actually get into the first main bathroom. It is a full bathroom, so it's got a shower and a tub. So this would be the main bathroom that your guests would use, but it would also be very helpful for the person that's staying in this bedroom. Laundry's on the main floor right here, so you've got your washer and dryer and some extra storage space as well, so it's gonna be really convenient to do all your laundry. And then what's really cool about this bi-level is it's got the bonus room that goes over top of the garage. And this bonus room is the master suite. So you've got a nice big master suite up here. As you can see, when you're coming out of your master suite, you can look down into the foyer or down into the kitchen and living room area. It's just nice and big and open with a vaulted ceiling, so it's really beautiful. Coming up into the master bedroom, you can see it's nice and roomy. They've got a king-size bed here, 3 windows that look over the front of the house. We've got our ensuite over here. The ensuite is a 4-piece. You got your sink, you've got a full soaker tub here that's nice and comfy, got a window there, and of course your toilet and your stand-up shower over here in the corner. Finishing off the master suite is there's actually a walk-in closet. It's quite deep, so you've got a fair amount of space in here that gives you lots of room for storing your clothes and everything. Now let's head back downstairs. Heading back downstairs, you'll get a nice good look at how this opens up here like I was talking about before. We're gonna go back into the foyer area. And from here, this is actually where you can access the garage. And the garage is actually bigger than usual. It's 24 by 24, so you got a lot of extra space in there. I'll show you a quick clip of that area so you can check out the garage. So let's check out the basement. It's completely finished. Come on down. All right, so the basement's got carpet throughout except for in the bathroom. From here, it opens up into an amazing rec room. You've got pot lights throughout. You've got nice ceiling height, and since this is a bi-level, you've got a great big window there as well, which is gonna bring in a lot more light, especially during the day. We're in the evening right now, so you're not gonna get to see all that light that's gonna come in down here. But it's a nice, great big rec room. They've got it set up as a TV room. It could also just be a recreation type of room as well. So let's take a look. There's 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom down here. From here, you can get to the utility room. We won't take a look at that. Got some storage area as well. Here's the first bedroom. So we got another full-size bedroom in here with a closet. And from here, we're actually gonna go take a look at the 3rd full bathroom. So this house has 3 full bathrooms. That's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms in total. This is a really nice bathroom. It's a 3-piece. So you've got your vanity, your toilet, and then a tiled shower here as well, which is really beautiful. And then we've got 1 more bedroom down here in the basement. With, again, it's got a nice big window. That's one of my favorite parts about bi-level, is that you don't really feel like you're in a basement when you're in a bi-level because the windows are a lot deeper. Now, a couple other things I want to talk about this house. It's a little cold outside, so I'm not outside right now, but I'll show you some clips. In the backyard, there's actually a nice big area that you could use as RV parking, or you could even fit up to 2 trucks back to back on sort of this like gravel parking space at the back of the house. If you wanted to, you could fence in the backyard as well to have a contained backyard if you have young kids that you want to have freely playing out there without worrying about them running off. And being in Leduc, we've got everything so close by. This house is absolutely stunning. Everything about it is in amazing condition. I'd recommend giving me a call at 780-819-5508 if you'd like to see this in person, or if you're already working with a realtor, feel free to get them to reach out to me directly and we can set up a showing. So you don't want to miss this one. Come take a look at it in person, and thanks so much for watching. If you click over here, you can subscribe, and if you click over here, you can watch another video. All right, I'll see you on the next one.